Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Harry is rumored to be playing Thanos' brother Star Fox in the Eternals after following Richard and Gemma Chan, who's set to play Cersei in the film, on Instagram. Movie fans have already mocked up what Harry might look like as Star Fox, with an image of the watermelon sugar singer looking like an IRL hero.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Harry Styles. Now, fans are certain that Harry is stepping into the Marvel Universe following a number of clues that have recently popped up. Yesterday, September 15th, Bounding Into Comics reported that Harry Styles is rumored to be playing Thanos' brother Star Fox in a new Marvel movie.
Take our lead.
Eros of Titan. Fictional character biography. Thanos was born on Saturn's moon Titan as the son of Eternals Ullars and Sway-San. His brother is Eros of Titan. Thanos carries the deviance gene, and as such, shares the physical appearance of the Eternals' cousin race.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Eros. Early years. Eros is the youngest son of two Eternals Ullars and Sway-San. Originally named Aaron, he was rechristened Eros at the age of 5, given his interest in the opposite sex. Eros grew up to be a fun-loving, carefree womanizer in contrast to his brother Thanos, a power-hungry, misanthropic schemer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.